ladies and gentlemen, as the chairman of Handloom Export Promotion Council, it gives me a great pleasure in welcoming all participants on board for the virtual edition of Indian Handwoven and Home Textile Sourcing event being organized by HEPC with a specific focus on Denmark and Sweden. I thank the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India for their support in organizing this event. I also thank Embassy of India in Denmark and Sweden for their valuable support and active participation in circulating the information about our event to all the potential importers. With the traditional export markets going into lockdown and imposing travel restrictions to control COVID-19 outbreak, exporters are finding it difficult to connect with global buyers to keep their business going. And even if the situation normalizes in near future, global traders would be concerned about traveling for participating in international trade fairs and exhibitions, which are key in getting new orders and expanding customer base. To deal with this new normal situation, HEPC is strategically working on an innovative way to provide opportunities for its member exporters to engage with global buyers by turning itself to virtual trade fairs and exhibitions. Among the top 20 importing countries of Indian handwoven textile products, Sweden ranks 12th position and Denmark ranks 18th position. Hence, HEPC is launching its Indian handwoven and home textiles event with a specific focus on Scandinavian market. The 3 days virtual event is hosting 25 Indian exporters from all over India with their products include entire range of home textiles, floor covering and fashion accessories. This exhibition is organized on an advanced and fully equipped virtual platform with text chat, video chat, search by product, search company for a user-friendly navigation. I appeal to all the textile importers in Denmark and Sweden and other Scandinavian countries to avail this opportunity. I am sure this virtual event will provide a platform for both Indian exporters and Scandinavian importers to establish a relationship. Wish you all the participants to have a successful event. Thank you all.